Obisa ya minia ni tintini tietie mu no sana akoso ebi akomani papa.
Yeah, where the meet me who
the Ghana has say
in Pokuase.
Yes,
say Obama
Obama so me no enkasa. Say Obama, what me nka? Hello. Say Obama, what me nka?
Yeah, me too nkapa.
Aha. Na no crese finally police for agile.
Yes, that is correct. Some few minutes ago, the police officially allowed me to exit their premises. So I can confirm that my bail condition has been fulfilled and it's been executed successfully.
Na sisi ale oba ibrofo nko na afa oka. Okay, it yate se anope no ombu eyi useko only for you to be called back for some further interrogation. And then a course.
Okay. Near the kind, Mamifa in Tiamo, the Emma, a police said to your phone in a one Casani on my hand, producer, Dominic. Now, it is for me, find Tiamo, the Emma, Ira, Alaji Dr. Mahamadou Baumia, NTB MPP, Nurse Flatbearer, Wasambedi, Mampeni, and after MPP for Penny phone in a near woman is a binim officer, narrative fee Thursday,
yeah.
See, Obi, near woman is say, last week, Wednesday, I'm matching. Eja, Akokra, Mapemi Bedia, Matokia, Meda, Ewofi, Bebeti Prakopa, I'm for Bommy Pnumu. I live in a 3-bedroom gated, house with my wife and kids. Now, said I no move around 3 a.m. thereabouts. In fact, so I decided to pay attention to the voices before I was going to open to see who they were. Then I heard one of them say, police is here. Open, police is here. So if you are police, then allow me to speak with my lawyers and then I can open you so that whatever in fact, before I could say Jack, these people had broken into my room. In fact, use my kitchen door, and break it because I know your wooden door. Unlike the front gate, and no metallic, they broke through the kitchen side and possibly entered, destroying most valuables like the pictures that have come out to attest to. And the bedroom. In fact, when they came into my bedroom, I was just like men would normally do in a short liquor, because you are not expecting anything like that. Then they came to whisk me away with 2 V8 blaring sirens all over. I'm talking about 8 fully armed men. So I was just asking. So
now at the time, now say about saying 3 a.m.
In fact, it was around me checking time. The processes started around 3:45 thereabout, but the time they took me around was around 4:15.
Okay.
And finally, and the National Signals Bureau, or more officer Wallaboni, and they put me in the guard room, detained me over there for about 4 to 5 hours. Then later on, they came to whisk me to the police CID headquarters. So it was at the CID headquarters and almost started interrogations. By then, so graciously, now my lawyers be abedu on party for penny for fact. My idea, papa. And I mean, so Munina, the body I want to have a jebinti at the appropriate time, measured up both body. She lawyers, even be one or only police, call by, before me, you're not just about prepared charge sheet. You didn't put in a court. That was on Wednesday. You didn't call court, and you're reading me plea to me. Then I pleaded not guilty. So the lawyers asked for bail, and the court graciously granted me a bill with a sum of 50,000 Ghana cedis, 2 sureties, and then 1 salaried government worker. So by that time, above was something to 5 o'clock thereabout. So part in 24 lawyers were pushing say, okay, register to me abuana ke yaye. In fact, Niomuka here Kosi and say court upon until they cannot execute the bill. It was a then they whisked me from court premises, blaring siren, about 5 cars. In fact, just camera for assist me a hardened criminal be a me so be ma Ghana has said that. Now me do asem no ya papa. If indeed you are calling me as a suspect to come and assist you with investigations, you don't treat me like this. Now blaring siren atra chrome ha gidi. And ya me call police central Greater Accra police Accra Central.
Yes.
And you call the TV me wo hono. Addiction here Thursday. My lawyers say 24 years and come be executive bail no. Omo my excuses are amaso Friday. Almost some excuses I tell you no na I so obvious they were now using the bail condition to victimize or to intimidate or to punish me. I mean, for want of better words, that's how I would describe the whole system. Because the court amami bail, I cannot understand why execution will now be a barrier. Because as far as I'm concerned, if court grants you bail, now say execution is not carried out, you are still in detention, and that is exactly what happened. I'm a madam since Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday, anopa, and a nyamin Saturday, the Obana, Omamu Sunday Omoka, ever with me, and the member police on the court. Say, and then the registrar no around it. You say yes, the bail condition. See, you call and also up and down. Finally, then we were able to execute. Just when we were about to finish, then they told me, the police officers told me that I am wanted at the CID headquarters again by the authorities over there. And I didn't, resist. By my nature, I wouldn't say I'm a responsible citizen. So I obliged, and then we went back to police CID headquarters. It was there that I was told that a matter which happened in 2020 has now been resurrected by the complainant against me. In fact, it's a matter which at this stage, is quite delicate, and I wouldn't want to go into it too much. But near Sana Kobaye, back and forth on this matter, and then finally, my lawyers and then the party officers we were able to, find a compromise, and then I got my freedom.
Yeah, where the me who
say Ghana has say.
Sa Raf we say ne nana DC DC Rollins pencil na ne papa ye DC ya Tamils pencil Jimmy kwa na o Jimmy eno Jimmy wa NDC mu wo Jimmy ne ho ono no John Mahama kwasi ampanyini Jimmy fo we be ka kire me say wo peme atimi because ma threaten kwasi ampanyini Jimmy for president bi to say Mahama wo sha Raf ordinary Raf a onyo obia Jimmy for riffraff way low life way wo hwe no mani timi kwa hospital e kwa threaten nurses says on the Obiba hospital na nurses na hwe ne said no Raf on ko suku da enim said ye hwa yarefo no obi anhwe o ma hwe ne sa obesra wo mu fie abro mada e dey threaten a chance say obi kwasi ampanyini to say Raf ebe kwa hospital akwa threaten nurses wo ho say obesra wo mu fie jimifo say obi should be professional even if you are na wo kwa ho no your profession kwasia wo kwa ho na your professional mo jimi na mugu ho no Mahama is losing focus bibia de nsem to no ma Raf kwasia ampanyini we even video no krampo me nya de amehwe wie because e me kan o ma Raf kwasia ampanyini we kwan ema wotimi kwagimi ye sa niema no because of so ye NDC ni jimifo Mahama kwasia ampanyini wanya ho afasika a rent flight